Welcome to my humble abode. Take your shoes off, get comfortable, but also mainly because, Asian household. I've always been someone who is highly influenced by her physical space, so I'm excited to share with you how I made my second apartment ever my own. I moved into here around 6 months ago, so it's still not finished, but here's what I got so far. First off, we have my kitchen, and most of my furniture you'll see here is from Rove Concepts, like these bar stools. I spend quite a bit of time here because along with interior design and fashion and beauty, food is one of my biggest passions, and I'm very interested in wellness and health as well. There's my little matcha whisk. I have a lot of senora gadgets for cooking. I have an air fryer as well. I have a little styling corner right next to my kitchen, and this is what you see in a lot of my backgrounds for my lookbooks. I have any clothes that I have yet to style on this rack. Then moving on into the living space, you'll notice here there are no TVs to be found, in my entire loft. I'm a bit of an anti-TV person in the sense that I just find that it's simply an archetype of a living room, and I don't understand why that is. Don't get me wrong, I love entertainment. Game of Thrones is coming back, but I just find that my time personally is better spent consciously consuming rather than passively, such as reading a book or listening to music or a podcast, which is why I have speakers in every part of my loft essentially. It also forces my guests to actually speak to each other and genuinely spend some quality time. Anyways, end rant. My teal couch is the Luca sofa from Rove Concepts, which is known for their amazing mid-century modern designs. I love it for how high quality it is, both in function and design, but the only qualm I have is that the back pillows frequently lose their shape, so I have to consistently fluff them. I originally wanted a red velvet couch, but found that it kind of clashed with my already reddish concrete floors, so I got teal instead. I get a lot of questions about where this end table is from, and it's from Bulkea, like this butterfly lounge chair that I love, and the concrete end table as well. We call this the therapy chair because it's a perfect place for my friends to sit and tell me all their problems. I recently got a record player, and my first ever record would be, of course, Fleetwood Mac, but I'm not sure that this is gonna stay on the floor here. Some of my favorite elements to design with have to be gold, warm leathers, rustic wood, and vintage velvet, so you'll see a lot of those throughout my space, such as this gold bookshelf I got from Bulkea. It's probably my favorite piece in my entire loft. This is probably the newest addition to my space, a work area. I got this industrial work table with hairpin legs from Wayfair because it fits all the needs I was looking for. Simple yet functional, comes with a drawer but not too many, and it was affordable but super complicated to build. Thanks, Dad. The chair is also from Wayfair, and since this workspace is so new, I'm having a hard time managing all these wires, mainly because I hate the way that it all looks. If you have any tips on wire or cable management that looks prettier than this, please let me know in the comments. On my table, I just have a calendar follower sent me, which I love, my moleskin, and some books I'm currently reading. My friend Sandy got me this Himalayan salt lamp for Christmas, and I love it. I have a lot of plants in my loft. Unfortunately, I only have a green thumb for small plants, it seems, because I keep killing all the giant ones. It's so sad. Then we have my bathroom. Nothing too special in here except for this Bluetooth waterproof shower speaker I got as a gift that can actually take calls when you're showering. So as a 24-year-old, the nicest thing I ever did for myself was buy myself a king mattress. Ever since I saw MTV Cribs with Shaq's 13-foot bed, I always knew I wanted to have a huge bed. I also thought it'd be cute that Komey could have the east wing and I have the west wing, but honestly, she just sleeps on top of me still, so completely useless. But I do plan on keeping this bed with me for a long time, and the frame is from Rove Concepts yet again, and my sheets are from IKEA. I recently got this reading light and it's been a game changer. Thank you, Target, $14. Then I have my vanity, and this table is from West Elm. This is all the makeup I own. If it doesn't fit on this table right here, then it goes. I still would like to minimize my collection even more because the clutter on top just really doesn't do it for me. And this vanity mirror has an auto sensor for the light. It's from Simple Human, and sometimes it honestly scares me when it lights up. I like my two desks next to each other because of the contrast. It's kind of like she gets glam, then she pays her bills and her taxes. My dresser is also from Rove Concepts, and next to it are just my old bar stools, which I need to sell, and all the books that I have not yet read. And on my dresser, I just have a dead bonsai tree and this Muji diffuser my friend Raynolyn got for me. She also got me the Relax Essential Oil, which is very much needed, honestly. I love the way it smells. It's got a very nice citrus scent to it. As much as I love my loft in the daytime, I equally love it at night because I turn off all the lights, open up my curtains, and I have this baby light lamp I got from Amazon. It was like $24. I put this on, play some music, and I just chill out. AKA really reached that stoner level 100. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in my space. I hope you enjoyed it, and to me this is like my ultimate bachelorette pad. Alright, see you guys next time.